Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. Like the channel, share it with your friends and relatives, subscribe the channel. Today we're talking about what all precautions to be taken when a senior citizen accompanies you in the car in a city drive or a long journey. Number one, make sure they don't sit in the front seat, the co-passenger seat, for their safety. Make sure you personally take care of them while they're sitting in the car. Make them comfortably sit in the car, help them to get in the car and sit, and make sure that you put the seat belts for them and make them comfortable. Make sure that when you're driving the car, you're not driving at high speeds, and on a bumpy road or a speed breaker, you drive it very safe. Make sure you don't put high volume of audio music in the car because of their irritation. Make sure that you are driving the car in the city anything between 40 to 50 speed, on highway 70 to 80. Make sure that their necessary medicines like water or inhaler or anything should be kept handy for them, for their safety. These are all the precautions must when a senior citizen accompanies you in a car. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you.